Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find General Management. Then let's tap on Reset, scroll and find Reset All Settings. So here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so actually everything except security, language, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So if you wish to do it, if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings, confirm it with your screen lock, be aware because you cannot undo this action, and tap on Reset to finish. And as you can see, to apply new settings, your tablet will restart, so be aware about that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.